but 180. So why are we here right now?
Because I had basically committed a felony, basically. I don't know how to explain it, like basically loading money onto cars without physically giving money to the store.
On September 17, 2024, this interaction began, raising several distinct constitutional questions.
I have an employee that's reloading their own credit card multiple times a day for the amount of $3,500.
Okay.
So I just want to press charges.
Jesus. Pretty sizable.
Yep, she's done it all the last week. I got the video and all the receipts here.
What, if you don't mind, I'll just take pictures of those receipts that
You
we
can have this whole copy if you wanted.
Yeah,
I made a copy for you and I made all the video for you guys already.
Oh my gosh. All right.
I might have done this once or twice. So this is just the printout of all of them, and then they'll have the individual receipts behind it of what she's doing. She's swiping her own. It's a reload card, swiping that it's $100, hitting $100 cash, not putting any money in the drawer, and placing the drawer. 200, 240, 200. Those are all separate transactions.
These are just transactions that weren't hers. Like,
those are all her personal transactions she did.
okay. What signifies the highlighted?
Those, the ones that aren't highlighted, those aren't hers. Those are what
Okay.
she did for other people. Just the highlighted ones are hers. You can see, like, even the timestamps, it's like 7:42, 7:49, 7:51, 7:54.
So she's putting that money back on her credit card?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a Chime reload or a Universal Visa reload.
Okay.
They're separated. It's 3 days that she did it on, all within the last week. That equaled up to $3,500.
Oh, man.
Yeah, she moved fast.
Yeah, she did.
She's in the office right now writing a statement, so.
Okay, when she gets done, we'll try to talk to her, so.
Okay.
Oh. Just let her make sure she's getting old. Officer, sorry, this officer rolled this. What is your name?
Lene.
All right, Lene, have you ever had your rights read to you?
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
Have you ever had your rights read to you?
Oh, no, sir.
Okay, before we talk to you, we just got to read these, okay? I'm a police officer. You are hereby advised that you have certain rights as follows. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. Do you understand?
Yes.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to speak with me. Sorry, you have the right to speak with a lawyer for advice before you are asked any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you cannot afford a lawyer appointed by the court or a lawyer for the public defender's office will be provided to you before and during questioning without any cost. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now that you understand your rights, are you willing to answer questions without a lawyer present?
Yes.
Okay. How, what's your date of birth on that? You're 19 years old?
Yes.
To the pharmacy, please.
Where do you live at?
Yes.
And what's your last name on that?
And then the questioning begins.
Alright, I'll get the rest later, but 180. So why are we here right now?
Because I had basically committed a felony, basically. I don't know how to explain it, like basically loading money onto cars without physically giving money to the store. I
Okay.
guess I don't know how to put it, like.
So you've been taking money from the store and loading them onto your cards without any transactions or anything, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long has this been going on?
I feel like a week.
A week? Okay. What are you doing with this money?
I'm just basically using it on bills, even though I know it's wrong because I haven't physically gave the money to the store, but it's basically like I'm like basically financially like struggling because I have a 5-month-old child and my rent is like $500, $600, and that's usually what I come home with.
Okay.
Ever since I've been working here, and then plus on top of that, I already said I have a child, so it's like I'm just like struggling.
So how much money do you think you've stolen thus far?
He basically informed me that I stole like $3,000 something dollars. I'm not for sure, but I know it's like it got to be around that much.
Okay. And how long you been working here?
Since I'm gonna say like the end of June / like the beginning of August.
Okay. And then you just started within the last week doing this. You haven't done it any other time.
No, sir.
The officer listens, understanding the motivation, but moving forward with the next steps.
Where did you learn to do this?
Well, I'm not for sure. I just basically just thought of it. I didn't look it up or nothing on internet or nothing like that. I just basically just thought of it.
Okay. And are they your personal cards or are they preloaded like credit cards? What are you putting them on? The money on?
My Cash App and Chime.
Okay. You got anything else? Well, you can go ahead and take that stuff off. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any other of their property, or was that it?
I'll just take your ID badge and that's fine. That's ours.
Okay.
You want to take that other lanyard off too? I didn't notice the pepper spray, but what?
Oh,
It's got
no, sorry.
pepper spray on it.
And that's my keys on there.
Okay,
too.
that's fine. You don't have any property of theirs though. That's it.
No, sir. Just my phone,
Okay.
my AirPods, and my vape and my gun.
Okay. Just put that on the table for me, all right? All right. Go ahead and stand up. Okay. You are going to be arrested today, all right?
Okay.
Good. You got the small cups in the car. Yeah, we'll switch around. Put your palms together like that one. I'm just going to check your pockets, okay?
Okay.
You got a shirt on underneath this?
Yeah.
Real fast. You don't have any pockets on your pants?
Oh, no. This is market number 21.
Oh, sorry, man. Hey, the jail won't take your gun, so I'm going to throw it out, okay?
Okay.
Trash can. You guys have a trash can back there? I'm just trying to throw this out. There it is. Thank you.
Basically the stuff I have bought for my son.
Is there anybody with your son right now?
Yes, my baby daddy.
Okay. If we drop the stuff off the house, is he there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. We're just gonna walk outside, all right?
This analysis focuses only on the legal doctrine involved, not a retelling of the incident. Miranda v. Arizona required a full warning before any custodial interrogation could begin. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, custody turns on whether a reasonable person would feel free to leave. Called into a back office and questioned by police, a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. That makes this a custodial interrogation, triggering full Fifth Amendment protection. The officer read every required element. silence, counsel, appointed counsel, and a continuing right to stop. That continuing right to stop answering is often omitted elsewhere, and its inclusion here matters. Colorado v. Connolly requires any waiver of these rights to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. A calm tone, with clear confirmation, after each right supports voluntariness under that standard. Voluntariness is not automatic. Age, apparent understanding, and pressure all factor into that test. Once rights are waived, resulting statements become direct evidence of intent and knowledge. Detailing method, derivation, and dollar amount converts suspicion into a corroborated confession. Financial hardship explains motive under the law. It does not excuse or negate criminal liability. After the interview, the analysis shifts to the Fourth Amendment and the arrest itself. United States v. Robinson permits a full search of an arrestee's person without extra justification. Naming each item aloud during that search creates a clean, contemporaneous inventory record. That practice protects both the officer and the department from later property disputes. Search authority under Robinson does not extend to how seized property is handled afterward. Discarding a lawfully possessed firearm falls outside the search question. It is a policy failure. Most department policies require firearms to be logged into property or released to a third party. Destroying it instead creates real legal exposure if the firearm is later reported missing. The underlying offense fits the classic profile of employee theft or embezzlement. Most states set the felony theft threshold between $500 and $2,500. A loss near $3,500 places this well into felony territory in most jurisdictions. Manipulating a point-of-sale system to fake transactions can also support a computer fraud charge. Prosecutors often stack theft and access device fraud counts when internal systems are exploited this way. These statutory citations are not jurisdiction confirmed. The department and state remain unidentified, grading the officer B+. The Miranda warning was complete, unhurried, and confirmed line by line, a genuine strength. The search incident to arrest was methodical and well documented on camera. The firearm's disposal is the clear weak point, a preventable procedural failure. Grading the subject, C. Waiving the right to silence and detailing the scheme was the single highest risk legal choice available. Cooperation may help at sentencing, but it does not change the legal exposure already created. 3 lessons stand out from this interaction. First, a Miranda warning is only as strong as proof it was understood, not just recited aloud. Second, search incident to arrest covers the search itself, not unilateral disposal of property. Third, silence after arrest costs nothing to exercise and often protects the most. That concludes the legal breakdown of this interaction. Let us know what legal topic you'd like broken down next in the comments below. Thanks for watching.